These are cranes or herons, and I hope this is recording. I tried to do this a minute ago. My stupid camera's not working very good. What the hell is the deal? There they are. Wow. I'm trying to get him to talk to you a little bit more. In the fields in Montana. Hopefully I can save this. I don't know what's up with my phone. There they go, talking a little more. Wow. I think they'll talk as much as they were. There we go. I don't want them to fly away. And believe it or not, there's a little creek between me and them right here that I don't want to have to walk through. But I'm going to see if I can record this and save the darn thing, and so you guys can all enjoy it. See if I can get them to make more noise. I may have to walk through the creek because it was so cool. I'm going to have to do it. Alright, I might as well take you with me. I'm going through the creek. Come on, guys. How muddy is that, Coda? Is it pretty muddy? I bet you I'm gonna sink in just like you are. Let's try a jump. See if I can make it without losing my darn phone. Hey, Bet, come on. I want to go get this conversation of these birds. Yeah. Oh, smoke. Well, if I post this, you'll love it. So I did 1 foot into the mud, about half a foot thick. I just want to get the conversation of these birds so that you guys can hear it. It's so amazing. You hear it? Isn't that cool? Brand new tennis shoes, sunk deep in the mud. Alright, enough of me talking. What a great conversation. Wow. Holy smokes. I do have 1 foot in the mud. Wow. I'm sorry I can't zoom anymore because I'm doing this on my cell phone. And I'm a dork. Isn't that conversation great? Huh. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the ones in brown are the adults. And maybe the ones in gray are the babies. I'm trespassing when I make this, by the way. I'm not supposed to be on this field. But the sound was so unique. Well, peace and out, and I think it's probably herons. Or, I'm sorry, yeah, gray herons, I think. But it could be cranes. Somebody knows more, you can email me back. Check it out. Beautiful sounds of the dinosaurs. Bye. Oh, and it's probably not fair if I don't show you my foot. That was a gray tennis shoe. It was supposed to look like this one until I jumped the creek. So, I wasn't kidding. There they are. And that's what it takes to get the cool sounds of some herons or cranes, which I don't know which ones they are. Peace out. JoelDrakeInc.com. Bye.